This is week one of a 4-week series of meal preps, so stick around and see how the first week went down. Here's what I grabbed. I got some frozen mango chunks and bananas. They're going to go in my smoothie with the spinach. I got some butternut squash, some lentils. I'm thinking about doing a soup. And for my protein, I got the chicken breast and salmon, green beans and Brussels sprouts for my veggies, and some sliced sweet potato fries. Hi guys. Now I'm going to start with the meal prep. Now I'm taking my freshly washed Brussels sprouts, add an extra virgin olive oil and seasonings to them, toss it around a little, place it in an oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. I am also going to do the same thing for the green beans. Fifteen minutes are up. I'm going to take both pans out, place it on top of the stove to cool. Look how nice the Brussels sprouts look. Yummy. Now I'm going to start with the salmon. I cut each piece into 3 to 4 ounces. I'm going to put a little Old Bay, seafood seasoning, Cajun seasoning, and a little Mrs. Dash. And once I'm done, I will place these on the air fryer. So now I'm placing them on the rack of my air fryer, and I should have put some olive oil on the bottom because they did stick, and you will see that a little bit later. But I'm going to set the temperature at 350 and put it on 12 minutes, and I will check to see if I need to add more time later. So I did add 3 more minutes to the cooking time, which I should have not, because I felt like it would have been a little more juicier if I would have just left it at 12 minutes. But you can see here, so see how the skin just stayed on the air fryer. So note to self, always make sure that your meat is have a little oil on it so it won't stick like this. Now I'm going to start on my other protein, my chicken breast. So here I'm just going to add some black pepper, some Mrs. Dash lemon, pepper seasoning, and some olive oil. So when I put it on the air fryer this time, I hope it doesn't stick. Now I'm going to place these on the air fryer. I cleaned the fryer from the salmon skin that was stuck to it. I want to place this in there and give a little space between each other if possible. I'm going to cook this on 350, and I set the timer for 20 minutes. Give or take a few, and if I need more minutes, I will add more. Okay, so my chicken is finally done, and you guys, it looks so delicious and juicy. Very delicious. The only thing I would change is I should have added some salt to it. Now let's put everything together for lunch this week. It looks so wonderful, you guys. It turned out really nice, but it was a lot of hard work. So what I'm doing now is just measuring out my mangoes and bananas for my smoothie for the week. I'm going to have a smoothie for breakfast and a smoothie for dinner with the meals that you saw before as my lunch. My lunch is going to be my heaviest meal. Like I said before, when you're doing meal prepping, it does take a lot of time and a lot of effort as well as a lot of hard work. So I find that chopping my bananas up like this and placing them in the bag with the mangoes and sticking them in the freezer saves a lot of time in the morning. Now I'm taking my freshly washed spinach, placing it inside the bag with the bananas and mangoes. I decided to do a test run for my smoothie for Monday morning. So I'm going to add a little water here, and I found out that it was better for me to add the whole bottle. When I add the whole bottle, it made 2 cups of smoothies, one for my breakfast and one for my dinner. So of course, right here I had to mix a little bit more because I was a little shy from that cup. But look how pretty it is, guys. I think the mango made a pretty green for the smoothie. Hey guys, that was a lot. But you know, meal preparation is everything. I have my veggies, I have my protein, and I have my 2 smoothies. One for morning and one for when I get off work. So it can be done. It just takes a lot of work and of course preparation. See you later, renovators.